In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft Loop Tasks component, keeping everyone in the loop with their tasks across Microsoft 365. We'll start in Microsoft Loop. Open Loop in your browser and sign in with your work account. Loop is your collaborative canvas, where pages and components come together so teams can think, plan, and act in one place. Next, open an existing workspace or create a new one. A workspace is simply a container for related pages. Think of it as the project folder your whole team can access. Pick the workspace your team already uses, or create a fresh one to keep this effort focused. Inside the workspace, create a new page. Give it a clear title and add a short description so people landing here understand the goal and scope. This context helps everyone contribute confidently. On the page, type A / and choose Task List. The slash menu is Loop's quick command palette, and Task List inserts a lightweight tracker that's perfect for clear ownership and deadlines. When the menu appears, click Task List to drop it into the page. Start adding your tasks as rows. For each task, click in the Assign to column and select the teammate responsible. They'll be notified automatically so nothing slips through the cracks. Then set a due date with the date picker to make expectations visible and time-bound. Keep task names action-oriented and specific. Short, clear wording makes scanning and follow-up easier. Here's the real power. Tasks you create in LoopSync with Microsoft Planner and Microsoft To Do. That means assignees will see their items show up in My Tasks alongside everything else they're tracking across Microsoft 365. Updates flow both ways, so marking something complete in one place keeps it consistent everywhere. When you're ready to collaborate beyond the page, convert the list into a Loop component using the waffle icon. Copy and paste that component into Teams chats, Outlook emails, or a whiteboard. Teammates with access can edit it right where they are, and changes update in real time back on the original page. No duplicates, no version confusion. Finally, choose the view that best fits your workflow. Switch between a clean table view for quick scanning and a board view for a Kanban-style layout. Board view is great for visualizing progress as tasks move through stages, while table view excels at sorting and quick edits. Use whichever helps your team stay aligned. That's it. With Microsoft Loop's Tasks component, you capture work, assign owners, set dates, and keep everything synchronized across Microsoft 365 so everyone stays in the loop.